Here's a summary of what we've learned so far in this course. Denial of service is an attack on availability of resources, such as servers, computers, or network devices, websites, and applications, etc. Distributed denial of service is going to be a coordinated attack on a single victim. Like if I really, really, really wanted to hurt Jeff,
He couldn't, because I'm prepared. Various types of attacks are made to affect denial of service, and trust me, I'll make it happen. The attacks could be bandwidth and service request floods, SYN, ICMP flood attacks, peer-to-peer attacks, application-level attacks, the list goes on. Now, bots are software code which run automated tasks on the internet and carry out repetitive tasks such as web spidering and search engine indexing. Talked about denial of service detection. It involves identifying unintended traffic increase. So let's talk about countermeasures. Obviously, a very important part of what we're doing here. Countermeasures help prevent a computer from DOS attacks, right, Evan?
That's right.
Yeah.
I'm really into this.
Yeah, I know you are.
Now, you should have realized that the topic went from being a simple one to a very heavy one. Yes, the attacks are real, and the damages at times can be catastrophic. To face the real and complex threats, we'll have to have robust countermeasures in place. Security professionals recommend you keep following the latest happenings in the areas of denial of service and distributed denial of service attacks.
Good point. All right. Thank you very much for your patient listening. I'm going to assume it was done patiently.
No, yeah.
Why shouldn't I? For further information on this and related topics, please reach out to us and we will be more than happy to assist you.
Absolutely.